need massage my husband, oil massage him like so much.
That's my number one.
Now he will go to shower.
I want to
And yeah, here not easy because very cold in my house.
I nearly fall down.
It's after that he will go to a shower and I make a fruit shake for him. This the wife can take care husband because I not work outside, I not make money, and yeah, I take care of everything in house. Take care of my husband, cooking, massage, and go everywhere with him. Everywhere together. This is how wife can do it. Okay, enjoy your day. Stay happy.
Happy
Always
life.
happy life.
And it's cold. Imagine a
cold.
life.
Okay, I will take care. Take out everything. Go back. Usually we do in the bed, and this time we want to show everybody how I can take care of my husband with Thai massage or massage. Usually we not take this for show. We do in the bed. Sometimes if I have some people come to want to learn Thai massage with me, I take this outside. Okay, stay happy.